you can make this beautiful hair clip in just few minutes. So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful sunflower hair clip in just few minutes. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make this hair clip. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so if I posted a new video you will be notified. For making this clip we're gonna need a alligator hair clip, and then yarn needles to weave the end, and then crochet hook. I use 2.5mm hook, and then brown and yellow color yarn for the sunflower, and green color yarn for the base and the plant of the sunflower. I already make one, so let's make another one. Let's begin with the slip knot. Make a slip knot and then insert your hook. Now we are going to make 12 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Just gonna need 12 chains. Now we are going to make 5 single crochet in the 5 chains. Skip first chain and make another single crochet in another chain. Make 5 single crochet. 3 4 and then 5. Now we are going to make a leaf, so make slip knot in next chain, 6th chain, and then chain 1 and make 1 double crochet in the same chain. Make 1 double crochet, then make chain 2, 1 2. Now we are going to make a slip stitch in the first chain, and then again make 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and then chain 1, then make chain 1 and make slip stitch in the same chain. Now we are going to make 4 single crochet in the next 4 chain. 1 2 3 and 4. Now we are going to make 3 single crochet in the last chain. 1 2 and 3. Now in the other side make 4 single crochet first in the 4th chain. 1 2 3 and 4. Now make a slip stitch in the 6th chain, in the chain what we did before, and then make a chain 1 and make 1 double crochet in the same, then chain 2 and then slip stitch at the first chain just like I'm doing. Then again double crochet, make 1 double crochet and then chain 1 and slip stitch in the same stitch. Slip stitch. Now make 4 single crochet in the next 4 stitch. 1 2 3 and 4. Now make 2 single crochet in the same stitch in the last stitch. Make 2 single crochet. Now we are going to make a slip stitch in the first stitch of another side. Just insert your hook and slip stitch and chain one and cut the yarn. And pull the yarn through. Now cut the excess part of the yarn. Just cut it. Now we are going to hide the yarn tail with the help of yarn needles. Just insert your yarn in the yarn needles and then hide it in the back side of your project. Now we are going to make a flower. For this, let's begin with the magic ring and then make chain 2. Now we are going to yarn over and pull the yarn, yarn over, pull the yarn. We are going to do 5 times. Pull through, yarn over and pull the yarn, yarn over and pull the yarn over, pull through all the loops in your hook, then make 2 chains and then make slip stitch in the magic ring. We are going to repeat this 4 times. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and then 5 and yarn over. Insert your hook, pull through all the loops in your hook, then chain 2, 1 and 2 and then slip stitch in the magic ring. We are going to make this 3 more times. After making 5, just chain 1 and then pull the yarn of the magic ring tightly. Just make it tight. And now we are going to cut the yarn. then pull the yarn, and we simply gonna do, now we are simply gonna do a knot, tie a knot, and then cut the yarn. For making middle part of the flower, just make a magic ring. Just make magic ring and then chain 2, 1 and 2, and then we are going to just repeat 1, 2, 3, and just make it 4 times, and then yarn over, insert your hook, and then make chain 2 and slip stitch in the magic ring, slip stitch in the magic ring, and then chain 1 and pull the yarn of the magic ring, and then cut the yarn. Let's cut it. Now we are going to attach these 2 parts with the help of yarn needles. Just repeat it what I am doing right now. Just follow the steps. After making sunflower, now we are going to attach it together in the alligator clip. This is the alligator clip, and this is a plant part of the alligator clip, and we are going to attach the flower in the upper part of the plant. I use hot glue gun to attach this. You can use any type of glue you want. I'm using hot glue gun to attach this plant part and the flower part to the alligator clip. That's it. We attach the plant part. Now we are going to attach the flower part. Just stick some glue in the flower, put some glue, and then we are going to paste it in the plant, upper part of the plant. Our sunflower hair clip is ready. It is so cute and beautiful. So by following this tutorial video, you can easily make this cute and beautiful sunflower hair clip in just few minutes at home. If you are a beginner, you can also easily make this sunflower by following this tutorial. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, so if I posted a new video you will be notified, and watch this video till the end. So thank you so much for watching everyone. Bye bye.